A world where every millimeter matters, where the precision is the difference between profit and waste. The TR1200 automatic pipe cutting machine is the solution for your industry. With the industry level speed for pipe from 5 to 30 millimeter, and those who want to refuse to compromise the simplicity, if you want to refuse to compromise the consistent speed for your pipe cutting, simplicity of push button, this is not just a machine for you. This is your competitive edge. So now I will show you how to operate this game changer machine for your industry. Okay, come. Just set your mood here, and if you want a different language like English, we can set it for you. Now start. Look at the output, the consistent speed, the accuracy of cutting. For your industry, I think you need this machine.